Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is update number 102 of the TFSA Wealthsimple Trade Portfolio Update. Always a mouthful to say that. It's perfect time to do it though. Markets are closed. Today is Boxing Day, so the markets are closed for Christmas Day. They'll be closed again. The Canadian markets closed again tomorrow. So just a reminder, nothing much happening for the next couple days. So good time to maybe take a break from your portfolio. But without further ado, let's get in. We'll show you how it's doing. All right, here we are in the app. TFSA, as you can see, down a little bit last week. We haven't quite got that Santa rally. Still crossing our fingers. Maybe still time for the market to have a bit of a rally before the new year. We'll see what happens. And let's just get right into the portfolio. Let's go down and we'll do our all-time total value of the portfolio. I have done a couple new purchases, which I will get into as we go here. So BAM, that's Brookfield Asset Management. Now this one's split off. So BAM and BM, Brookfield Asset Management, and then Brookfield Asset Management Corp. Kind of confusing. The original one I purchased has been changed to BN, as you can see there. So the spin-off a little bit, 0.286 shares that came through about a week later into the account from that split. Current value $10.91. I don't think I'm going to be adding anything into this one. I'll carry on with the original, which is now BN. So we'll skip over BEP.UN for a second, but BN, we're down 10.71% on our 1.14 shares. Now I will be purchasing more of a fractional share come the first of the month. That's part of that StreamYard savings for the year. We'll keep adding into that one. Back up to BEP, Brookfield Renewables, down 24.15%. Not getting a good break on any of the renewable stocks in the portfolio right now, that's for sure. BTC.Y, this one, you know what, actually doing okay. Happy with the dividends on here. I will keep adding to this, trying to keep that about 5% of the portfolio. As you can see, we're down 36.6%, but come the next, market rally, I think this one will hopefully do quite well. And we have 177 shares of BTC.Y. CMC we're down 94.75%. Let's skip right over that one. Live and learn from that one, as we've talked about a few times. Diversified Royalty Corp. This is the new one. I purchased 100 shares for the 100th update of the portfolio, sitting at $300 Canadian, up $1. There we go. Happy with that. Haven't had the dividends roll in it for the first month, but we will have those coming up in January, which will be nice to come in. ETC, this is the Evolve Cryptocurrency ETF, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Again, kind of waiting for the bull market to come back on cryptocurrencies for this one. Down, unfortunately, 67.88%, down almost $1,000. That one does kind of hurt. $905.31. Greenlane Renewables, as you can see, some definitely more riskier stocks in this portfolio, down 53.57%. But I have optimism for this one in the long term. I'll still be dollar cost averaging into that one. I do like Greenlane Renewables. PSA, now this is a new one. This is the Purpose High Interest Savings ETF. It pays a yield of about 4.59%, and as part of my new year going forward, what I am going to be doing is putting $100 weekly into the account and purchasing $50 of PSA. Obviously the price has come down a little bit. It seems to raise up a price just before the ex-dividend date, then it will drop down again. But just going to dollar cost average into this one, $50 per week. REI.UN, RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust, up 1.26%. Happy with that. It's nice to have something in the portfolio in the green, that is for sure. RNW, TransAlta Renewables. This is another renewable energy stock that just didn't do good. Their outlook for 2023, not looking that great. They put a bit of guidance out. Apparently dividends are going to stay where they're at. We'll see how that goes. Have 55 shares of that, down 37.3%. It dropped about 20% last week. Not that great to see in the portfolio. Solar Alliance Energy. This is again another long-term kind of bit of a gamble. We'll see how that one does, down 56.26%, although not a huge amount in the portfolio, just down $75.17 with Solar Alliance Energy. Slate Office REIT. This is our real estate office REIT shares that we own, 128 shares. We'll keep rolling into this one, dollar cost averaging, keeping the exposure about the same percentage as the plan, down 12.47%. Telus, channel favorite Telus, we have 20 shares. This one, when the dividends come through, we'll be rolling in there. We'll still be adding to Telus positions, that's for sure. A few people have asked that, down 5.08%. Not too worried about Telus. Tesla, another one that's getting hit, but I still want to add into Tesla slowly and surely. 21 shares of Tesla, and it is the CDR of Tesla, down 32.22%. We'll see what happens when Elon Musk hopefully leaves his CEO position at Twitter, gets back to working at Tesla, and I think that's what the investors are maybe looking for. VDY, that's the Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield ETF. This is another one I'm going to be dollar cost averaging in for the year ahead. So of that $100 investment each week I'm going to put in, I'm going to be buying 1 share of VDY, and we will dollar cost average into that. Currently up 1.13%. Happy about that. Nothing wrong with that. $33.09. Now, last but not least, VFV, the Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF. Now with the remainder, obviously I've split that $50 between PSA, and then I put 1 share of VDY, and then with the remainder of that, what's left over is usually a few dollars left over. I am putting a little bit into a fractional share of VFV. So down right now 4.66% in total. Let's go back to the top and we'll see how we're doing. So as you see on the week, it's down a little bit on the week. On the day though, this was on Friday, up 0.49%. Nice to have that happen. And in the week, obviously, as you just saw, down 0.82%, $91.94. On the month, down 6.10%, $723.54. Past 3 months, down 4.18%. Now 1 year, not looking as great, down 18.45%. Okay, and 1 year down 18.80%. All right, if you made it this far, don't forget we will be starting the live streams again up. Keep an eye on the channel. I will post those before they do happen. It's great to have everybody that does join along the live stream. So if you're watching this and you haven't caught a live stream yet, try and make it. We go Monday to Friday when there's not a holiday, obviously, Monday to Friday, 8 o'clock Pacific time to about 8:45. And we usually have a good group of people that show up, answer lots of questions, learn a lot on those live streams. They are a lot of fun. If you can't make them live though, as always, they are back on the channel. You can always catch the replay. Thanks for watching, everybody. We will be back with live streams very shortly, like I said, and we'll continue on doing these updates for the channel as we get into 2023. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your holidays, and we'll see you in the next video.